So guys, welcome back by the way. So let's do a quick analysis on our pound JPY for today. If you to go back previously to watch my video on my weekly analysis on pound JPY, CAD JPY, New Zealand JPY, you will see where I predicted that our pound will very much likely hit this our area here before we can actually probably see a drop. Guess what? We've actually got into this our area here, and I feel that we will continue going bullish because one thing is that our JPY is actually still bearish and it is actually still going to fall. I don't believe that we would start seeing that drop, but in case we see that drop, there is no problem. By the way, we'll see that drop, then probably we will see that push up again. But I feel that we will be going bullish. But before I will actually consider taking a buy on my pound JPY, I will first of all wait for my price to break above about 162.250. If my price can break above 162.250, then I will take my buy position straight up and exit here, take my profits here. That should be giving me about 100 plus pips, by the way. But let's see how our price will play out, because I'm not a fan of trading what you think, but I'm actually a fan of trading what you see. What exactly my price shows me is about what I'm going to trade. So if in case my price start dropping, then I will actually go along with it. I will start taking a short position. I believe it's actually safe. But if it breaks above this my area, the points that I've just predicted, then I'll actually take my buy position to opt out and take my profits, because we can see our JPY is actually bearish, while any pair related to our JPY which is bearish will actually be going bullish. And one thing again is that there is no major news that will actually be changing the movement of our pound, because you can see on our pound news, which will be coming out in our London session. And guess what? We are still on our Tokyo section, see our Sydney and Tokyo section. So London session has not opened, New York session has not opened, so we still have a very we still have time. And currently see we are around about 3 plus 3 about 3 a.m. So at least our pound news should be coming out around 9:30 a.m. where I am currently. So that's what I'm just saying, where I am currently. So about M4 money supply, which is low impact news on our forex trade. Mortgage approval, which will be a low impact news. Even net lending to individuals will be a low impact news. And I think that's all the news that will be coming out for pound. And they are low impact news. They are news that can't easily change the direction of change the direction of our pound JPY. That is why I said I would want to be taking a buy position, but when it breaks above this my line that I just predicted, the points that I predicted, then I'll take my buy position and grab 100 piece. When I grab 100 piece, I'm coming out at least. That is okay for me for the day. And if it continues to break below down, is that I take short it or I opt out of the trade. I actually don't take that trade because I am planning to take a buy position. But if it gives me a reversal, I possibly would not take that trade or follow it the way it is. So that is analysis for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. Thank you very much.